Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two essentials: a signed-in Google account and an up-to-date browser. Once those are set, open Google and type Chatgpt into the search bar. Make sure you select the official OpenAI listing rather than a third-party site. This prevents account prompts from failing. If Google suggests the Chatgpt web app, click it. Once done, you may be redirected to sign in with Google or enter your OpenAI credentials. Choose the Google sign-in option to link accounts quickly. After you click the official Chatgpt result, the core step is authentication. Choose Continue with Google to use your existing Google session. Make sure you pick the correct Google profile if multiple are available. You may need to grant permissions, read them briefly, then approve. If a pop-up or new tab appears for consent, allow it and return to the Chatgpt tab. Once authenticated, refresh the page if the chat interface does not load automatically to ensure session tokens are applied. Finally, confirm you can see the Chatgpt chat box and send a short test prompt to verify functionality. If you encounter issues, first clear browser cache and cookies, then disable extensions that block scripts or third-party cookies. Alternatively, try an incognito window. Make sure pop-ups and redirects are allowed during sign-in. If account blocks or billing prompts persist, check your OpenAI account settings or contact OpenAI support. One key tip: extensions are the most common cause. Disable them and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.